in San Juan, venue of the main event as well today. USD clashes with Ateneo in our second game today. Just to give you a refresher on what happened in the first meeting between those two teams. Second game po yun nung ating opening day. And Ateneo beat
number 11,
USD that time, and obviously USD a much better team when now than when they started. So let's see if how they exact vengeance and payback, if they even do, because obviously Ateneo not also the same team that started, because they got better and better coming into today.
For the Lady Maroons.
But back to the game at hand. UE up 2-0 against UP, and they're up 8-3 in set number 3. Missed reception on the part of UE.
But still,
it
worked
fell
to their
in.
advantage. It
Wow.
fell within the line.
Wow.
Break for them.
Team captain.
It's nice to be talented and skilled, but it's better to be lucky.
Look at this. Falling right at the line.
And that also speaks about the type of defense that UP has put together. And, they really struggled, and that's a perfect example of why they can't seem to go after these chance balls,
Oh, and I think yung isang dyan is the anticipation, because you have to be able to really read the
court awareness,
court awareness. You have to know if the ball is going out, or you have to have good judgment.
Yung parang pagtansya mo na lang, di ba? I mean, for any person who played any sort of sport, alam mo yung mga boundaries ng basketball court, badminton court, volleyball court. Kumbaga, it's in the back of your head. Parang memorize mo na yan. So yung talbog ng bola, parang natatansya mo eh.
That's right. Of course, you train every day. It's the same size of court all the time.
Ramos finds the corner right there, but they're still down by 4 here, 9-5. Nice dig by Las Marias. Del Mundo keeps it alive. Let's see if Araneta gets it over the net. Yes, she does. Nebrida. Set was a little too far into the net, pero UP couldn't kill it. Masangkay to Nebrida again. Nebrida rejected. 4 touches. Di lumampas na net yung bolang yon, and UP gets an easy point. They're fighting back here. They're just within 3.
Tatlo na lang. Service. Las Marias.
6 serving 9.
Well, this is UP's last chance to extend this match.
Dalawa na lang.
And what a time for the ace to come.
They have to be all out in all of the skills. So, kanina, we've already noted of the excellent service that they have. Pero ngayon, kailangan pati sa opensa at sa depensa.
UE 7.
Let's listen to UE.
Nagre-relax na naman tayo. Shisha, pag umakabensa tayo, bumubuka yung depensa nila eh. So ang targetin mo, hukayin mo na yung gitna. Drop ball lang. Intindihan? Hey, magaling ka rito kasi sa gilid. Eh, inaabutan mo ng bola, kailangan lagi ka naka-align dun sa bola. Yung trajectory ang abangan mo. Kailangan maunahan mo sa unahan, hindi yung hinahabol mo yung bola. Come on, let's go.
Pray for us. Pray for us. Hey, lady!
A hint of concern para kay Coach Dalistan. That's why he called the timeout. Napako sila sa 9 after that technical timeout. Humabol ang UP, and they only were able to produce 1 point in that UP run. Jeza Las Marias saw very little action in set number 1, and practically nothing in set number 2 is back, and she has delivered for UP so far. Pero yun pa rin yung buta sa depensa talaga ng UP. Kayang-kayang hanapin itong UE.
It's the third set. UP has to work double time.
Set Dawi.
Need to double their effort.
10 serving 7. Good reception. Results in a good attack para sa UP. Free ball. Ramos. Masangkay. Nebrida the tip. Ramos anticipating that. Nebrida tries again over the blockers this time. Southley Ramos. Good rally. Better defense by both teams here. Rosale rejected. Free ball for UP again. They've gotten so many free balls here, but they have not been able to come up with the killer shot. What a rally here. Probably longest of the season.
A lot of drop balls.
Wow. Is it ever going to end?
It does.
Lady
So,
Warriors
spike
win this
from
long
Nebrida.
rally. 11.
They're catching their breath.
You can hear the crowd oohs and ahs inside the arena. That's what you guys miss if you don't watch the games live. And everybody was on the edge of their seats already with that furious, well, it wasn't a furious exchange, but it seemed to be non-stop, ano? And it seemed like it would go on forever. UE getting the upper hand in that exchange, long exchange. Free ball naman para sa UE this time, Masangkay. Nebrida says, ayoko na ng long rally.
Tama na, 1 point. Napagod sila dun eh. It was a long exchange. Kahit papano sa Dimo, it wasn't, hindi lahat malalakas yung palo, pero the fact na hinahabol mo yung bola.
Hinahabol eh.
And the number of times that you would have to jump.
Genido. Masangkay to Nebrida again, and Nebrida probably getting a little tired now.
8-12.
She's almost been single-handedly attacking on the side of UP this entire third set.
Ramos serving for the Lady Maroons.
But here comes again that dreaded serve of Southland Ramos. Let's see what how UP can, or UE can take this. Ito, free ball para sa UP. Araneta.
Long shot by
Goes
Araneta.
over everything.
Set of Magtalos is actually a bit short for Araneta.
So back to a 5-point lead for the Lady Warriors in set number 3. Steep serve from Chiesa Nebrida. Araneta, much better set, much better result for UP.
9-13.
That's exactly what they need at this point. And Sen now comes back in.
Serving for
So
the Lady
Magtalas
Maroons.
has 2 strong attackers in front.
And also a better defensive presence at the net para sa UP with Araneta and Se. Bulan tries again. Bulan down the line, yes.
Down the line.
Bulan is actually smart to do
14-9.
that. Alam niya na she's up against 2 blockers, and if you are the attacker, naturally papadaanan mo sa shorter blocker, and Se is much taller than Magtalas.
Lady Warriors.
Hence, Bulan got a point.
Solid block. Single lady block by Araneta, and she wins the joust against Dizon. Here comes Dizon again. Araneta down the line, yes.
Down the line. 10-15. Substitute.
Palad will check in as you take a look at the Araneta point.
Palad in.
She replaces Princess Se.
To serve for the Lady Maroons.
Magtalas returns as the setter here in set number 3 after that the stint by si Del Mundo in set number 1 and 2. Bulan.
Oh, that one
Outside it by Araneta.
going nowhere but
15
out.
to 10.
15-10 off the Araneta error. Kite Rosales
Chris Rosales serving
getting ready to serve.
for UE.
Talk about a power serve that time.
11.
Not enough control put into that serve.
Neta Araneta to serve for the Lady Maroons.
Oh, nice play
Well
from
played shot.
UP.
Good presence of mind there. If you know that everybody is moving towards the attack line.
12.
Best thing to do is just, to put it at the end, bring the ball over to the end line. Mahirap kasing kumuha ng bola pa atras.
Dalawa na
That
lang.
marks a 3-0 run by UP here. They're within 2.
Substitution. UE.
13-15. Ponon.
In.
The backup setter will replace Masangkay.
Service. Araneta.
But a service error, that's huge para sa UP. They were on the midst of a 4-0 run, but they halt that. And we take a break. 16-13. UE is up by 3 in set number 3.